It offered us some place where we could avoid settlers during the colonial period. Ancestors of the Lumbee, many of them came here from
that we don't exist anymore, and when we did exist, we all looked the same. There were dozens and dozens of different tribal communities speaking different languages. I mean, we were as different from one another as the nations of Europe. So this is going to be super fun. Collards and cornbread.
Oh, good.
At my cousin Raymond's house.
Hi, Vivian.
Hey.
Come on in. My wife, Betsy.
Hey.
Nice to meet you.
My sister Barbara.
Hey, how are you doing?
Yeah, Vivian.
We're gonna put you to work.
Okay, good.
We've already put the grease in the pot, and I'll just drop the sausage. And we can actually cut the collards.
Okay.
I like to lay them out flat. I always try and take the big leaf to be the last one because it's easier. It'll hold. I just roll.